People always ask me the ways of getting rich. Well, the first step in getting rich is to remove all the negative thoughts or worries of getting rich and become relaxed. There are certain ways of getting rich which you could learn and follow better if you stay patient. In this video, we will be telling you those 10 ultimate ways of getting rich, which will actually make you a millionaire. Now let's start. 1. Add value to yourself. There are certain shared characteristics of the self-made wealthy, and these characteristics are significant in their own right. This comparison does not need to include billionaires and millionaires. Engineers, filmmakers, and physicians are just a few examples of the many successful individuals who amassed their riches by first improving themselves and then contributing to society and the world at large. A neurosurgeon who has amassed much fortune can be very gifted in his or her field. After enhancing their abilities and general well-being, this doctor went on to have a positive impact on the globe. Self-improvement is a great place to begin building a prosperous life. Get better so you can show your worth to anybody offering you a good wage. Show them how you'll improve their life while working for them and convince them to pay you more. 2. A tax on one's own self. Making financial sacrifices is nothing new. In spite of this, withdrawing funds from savings to pay for an item you urgently needed is a simple matter. Working hard and saving money are two of the most important factors in reaching your financial goals. Consider your financial reserves from a tax perspective as an alternative. After making your tax payment, you will never get back the whole amount. Don't do anything different with your financial reserves. You should put the money in a savings account or other location from which you cannot access it. Treat your savings as if they were cash you'd never see again unless you really need the money for anything. If you want to know the best tricks to earn money, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. 3. Set a plan and stick to it. Finding yourself unexpectedly wealthy beyond your wildest dreams is an extremely remote possibility. While it's true that many people have had great success via sheer chance, this is almost never the case. While it's true that some individuals' good fortune is the product of pure chance, the vast majority of successful people achieved their financial status via careful preparation and self-control. Included in this are not just timetables and cost estimates, but also detailed plans outlining what has to be done at each stage. Not being overconfident and doing what you can to move forward is crucial. Having a strategy will also help you avoid wasting time. The process consists of several steps, one of which is developing and implementing a budget. 4. Invest your money. One of the primary goals of any investment strategy should be to generate a return on capital that is greater than the initial investment. You should choose your investments carefully, however. There are many potential investment vehicles, but identifying those with a positive return on investment may be challenging. Real estate investing may pay well, but it's also a major financial commitment. Investing in the stock market may be done on a budget, despite the market's volatility and inherent risk. When investing, it's important to give the decision some careful thinking. You should seek the advice of someone you trust who have experience investing before making any final choices. 5. Start a company. Though starting a company is easier said than done, the last 4 stages provide a solid foundation on which to build. This might be the optimal way to earn money if you have an entrepreneurial spirit and like functioning as your own employer. Many business owners will tell you that there is a significant gap between the initial investment and the resulting income when starting a company. In contrast to popular belief, starting your own business is not a speedy path to financial security. It's usually well worth it, what with all the challenges you'll face and the benefits you'll get. However, breaking into corporate America is no walk in the park. A combination of perseverance, dedication, and good fortune is required. Getting rich this way takes effort and time, but it's worth it in the end. 6. Feel gratitude. The foundation for wealth may be built without any external influences. There are several facets of your character that must coincide for your current endeavor to be a success. It's crucial to acknowledge your accomplishments while being grateful and modest. People are hesitant to back someone who seems to be swept along by success at any level or who doesn't value what they have. Still, the greatest approach is to live humbly, gratefully, thoughtfully, and with an open attitude. 7. Have patience. Possessing the trait of patience is also crucial to financial success and plenty. You can't become wealthy in a matter of days or achieve fame and fortune in a single night. Despite your best efforts, you may have to wait months, if not years, to see any tangible results from them. It's annoying to see yet another wealthy person featured in the media every day. Understanding that your rate of achievement doesn't have to compete with others is crucial. Waiting at the right moment often pays off handsomely. This doesn't give you license to sit on your hands or be passive about a situation. You'll undo all your hard work by dwelling on your frustration, and achieving accomplishment will take time. 8. Put yourself through education. The goal is to always strive to learn more about the world, not just your chosen specialty. Keeping up with the news is crucial whether you are trying to make an investment decision or anticipate future trends. Profitability suffers most from lack of knowledge. Which is to say, you should always be learning new things and improving yourself. Big events and trends can't be ignored since you never know which may provide an opportunity or danger. The ability to learn and keep up with the news is crucial. 9. It's necessary to take some measured risks. The funds won't materialize if there's no possibility of loss. Every potential route to wealth involves some degree of risk, whether you're a stock investor or planning to launch your own company. It's always a blunder to sell used furniture since you never know whether the customer will really pay you or show up. When weighed against investing millions on cutting-edge goods, the danger is manageable, but it remains there nevertheless. Make money by taking calculated risks on the expansion of your ideas and businesses. It's important to weigh and carefully consider a wide range of outcomes before settling on whether or not to make the investment. It's simple to lose money if you don't give any thought to the risk you're taking in advance. Risk must be calculated in order to earn money. 10. Donate to a good cause. It's vital to give back to your local community. It will show you the way to accomplish the first goal you set for yourself, improving the world around you. Once you're making a decent living, consider donating to a cause you care about. When you put your own worth first, you automatically increase the value of others everywhere. Giving back to a cause others care about makes you seem better in their eyes. If people believe that the money they have given to you will be used for the greater good of the community, they will be more willing to donate it to you. That's all for today. Now you know all the ways of getting rich. Follow these tricks to get rich. These tips and tricks are suggested by Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and all other multi-millionaires. If you want to get rich, then you will have to follow these rules. If you want to know more ways of getting rich, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button to stay updated with the latest video we upload. Share this video with everyone you know. Add a comment below if you are having any queries or suggestions. Thank you for staying with us till here.